I lost my job, and with that went my insurance. I used to have a PPO insurance, very good insurance, and I paid pretty good money for it. My husband is chronically ill. He has a chronic illness, and he's diabetic type 1. So without insurance, he can't get health care insurance. He has a pre-existing condition. And so we're really struggling right now. I feel really bad for him. He's in constant pain, and the insulin alone is over $300 a month. And that's not including the doctor visit. I've tried several options to get him some help, and one of them was to go to the county hospital, and they denied him because based on my last year's income, they would not insure him. We're looking at right now having to get a divorce, because at that point he would possibly qualify for some kind of aid. His quality of life, he suffers every day, and I know there's medical help for him, but it's unattainable. We just can't afford it. I've come to realize that, healthcare shouldn't be a luxury, and there's good people out there suffering needlessly, and they're dying needlessly. Unfortunately, it took something like this to happen to me to make me aware that this needs to stop. We need to have health care for everybody.
I'm 62 years old. I've been uninsured for 6 years. Before I was uninsured, I bought Blue Cross. My rate was very high. My doctor wanted to do a baseline bone density test, and they refused to allow a baseline bone density test, even though I'm 55 years old. After paying $16,000, I decided that it wasn't worth it. I wonder if I'm going to have a heart attack and die, or because, I don't have a doctor. I just keep thinking, hold out till you're 65, At the time that the Affordable Care Act was going on, I thought that they should have made it Medicare for all then. Seems like the most important thing in the United States is money. That's it. They don't care about anything else, and if you don't have money, if you can't afford health care, well, then you're just going to die.